Footsteps echo on the polished floor, holding my breath at the gilded door. A whispered prayer, a fleeting thought. Will they be there, the ones I love? Fingertips tracing lace and seams, a heartbeat lost in woven dreams. The world tilts softly, time unfolds. I step ahead, my story told. Light spills in, a golden tide, a sea of faces, warm and wide. Their laughter lifts, their voices rise. I see the love in countless eyes. Petals rest like stars beneath my feet. Every memory feels bittersweet. Once a child in arms so tight, now walking forward bathed in light. The hush before a melody, a spark of past and destiny. The doors swing wide, the moment soars, a love embraced forevermore. Light spills in, a golden tide, a sea of faces, hearts open wide. Their voices blend, a song so true. Every gaze says we're here for you. Not alone, never alone. Every step, love has grown. All the echoes, all the years come alive in joyful tears. Light spills in, my heart takes flight. The world is home, bathed in white. Every hand, every smile holds me close across the aisle. Light spills in, a golden tide, a sea of love forever wide. Every tear, every cheer tells me now I'm finally here. Morning light spills on the kitchen floor. I hear your laugh as you close the door. Coffee brews and the world slows down. Everyday magic in this little town. We trace our days like a melody, soft and steady, just you and me. We build a life thread by thread, a tapestry of words unsaid. Love in the simplest things we do. I choose you. I choose you. Rain taps a song on the window pane. We dance around like we're kids again. Your hand in mine, nothing feels too far. Home is wherever you are. We turn each page like a symphony, ever changing yet perfectly free. We build a life stitch by stitch, a garden full of blooms we wished. Love in the smallest things we do. I choose you. I seasons shift, but this remains a love that grows, a love that stays. We build a life, breath by breath, a gentle rhythm, no regret. Love in the quiet things we do. I choose you. We build a life, heart to heart, a story written in every part. Love in the endless things we do. I choose you. I choose you. Silver threads in the seams of our laughter, every step a melody untamed, dancing through the echoes of ever after. Never once did we need a name. Hold my hands, pull me closer. Like gravity, we bend and break. Every scar, every whisper turns to gold in the light we make. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, carved in winds and woven fire. We are rhythm, we are rhyme, chasing light through the cracks in the ceiling, traces of the lives we outgrew. Shed the weight, let the silence start healing. Every piece of me leans into you. Fold me in, pull me under, like rivers twisting toward the sea. Every scar, every wonder turns to gold between you and me. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, carved in winds and woven fire. We are rhythm, we are rhyme. No white doves, no glass slippers, only hands that won't let go. No scripted words, just heartbeats singing, love that only we can know. We are more than vows and paper, more than rings or borrowed time, woven deep like roots and thunder. We are rhythm, we are almost but a presence, not a moment but a climb, bound in tides and endless embers. We are rhythm, we are rhyme. From the first smile, it was easy to see you'd found someone who set your heart free. Through all the laughter, the tears, and the years, this love is stronger than any fear. Hold each other close. close, don't let go. The world will change, but your love will grow. Oh, here's to the joy that fills your days, a light that never fades away. Together, you're stronger, you're whole. Two hearts, one beautiful soul. Every step forward, hand in hand, building a life only love could plan. Cherish each moment, the highs and the lows. This is the journey only true love knows. Lean on each other when skies turn gray. The love you've built will guide the way. Oh, here's to the joy that fills your days, a light that never fades away. Together, you're stronger, you shine. Two hearts, one love divine. So here we stand with hope in our eyes, cheering for you under endless skies. Through every chapter, the story you write will always be love's guiding light. Here's to the joy that fills your days, a bond that time could never fray. Together, you're stronger, you're true. Two hearts, one love made new. Here's to the love that lights the way, a promise that forever stays. Together, your story unfolds. Two hearts, one beautiful soul. Of who I've been. The walls that held me close are fading, but there's a new door opening. Torn between the arms I've known and the ones that wait for me. I stand between the lines of what was and what could be. Split in two, I'm torn apart. One step ahead, one step behind. With every breath I say goodbye, yet hold the love I'll never leave behind. His eyes are promise of forever, but your voice echoes in my soul. I chase the life we'll build together, yet feel the weight of letting go. Torn between the home I've known and the life that waits for me. I stand between the moments of what was and what could be. Split in two, it's hard to part. One hand lets go, one holds on tight. With every tear I move away, but carry the love stay.